Yo, what is going on? I'm Callum from CR Menu. Today we're going to do an epic freaking video for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what was your favorite part of the freaking video. Today we're going to be building Frosty the Snowman. It's going to be epic. Be sure to subscribe or else I'll take this Santa hat and shoot it with a Nerf gun. So now we've got all the freaking materials we need to build Frosty the Snowman outside in my front yard and bring it to life. We have the hat, we have the pipe, we have the eyes, but we don't have a nose. It's close enough, don't worry about it. Come on guys, let's go.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a straw pipe and not really a nose and two eyes made out of electrical tape.
So guys, we got all the materials that we need to create this epic Frosty the Snowman. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe as mentioned earlier. Anyway, let's move on. The last thing we need is snow.
Lol, got him. Hey! Yeah! It's the thirstiest time of the year. Hey! Yeah! I had just one query. Want a Sprite cranberry? The answer is clear. It's the thirstiest